we're gonna be doing some butternut and squash quinoa salad. It's a great salad. It's a good salad. It's very different, very tasty, and it's a bit harder to do, but you guys can do it. It's gonna be easy to show you. So we're gonna go and we're gonna start getting our butternut ready. So cut both ends, peel it with the simple carrot peeler. We're trying to remove basically the entire skin, and you can remove some of the green veins also, but if there's a few left, that's not a big deal. This salad, I use it in my meal prep. You can use it as a side dish also for a meal. It's gonna be quite large with the quantity that we have, so it's gonna get you enough for your meal if you do it for a supper one night. So we're starting by prepping our butternut squash, removing the inside of it with a spoon. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in small little square, about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. And that's how I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna prep this up in a large bowl. I'm gonna add some avocado oil. I'm gonna use some garlic, probably 4 or 5 pieces of garlic is probably good enough. Get that all mixed together. And the next thing I will do after that is get a piece of Parmesan paper, put it over a large metal plate, and I will get it ready in the stove at 350 for about 20 minutes. The easiest way to see if it's ready, grab a fork, taste it. If it tastes great, it's good to go. So once you got that all mixed up, and then you can prep your butternut squash and put it in the stove. Oh, by the way, if you want to do some funny French fries, you can do French fries with butternut squash. It tastes really good. With some barbecue on it. Kids are gonna love it. You're gonna love it too. So the rest of it, we're gonna prep our salad. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my quinoa. I'm gonna use 2 cups for 2 cups of water. It's gonna go in the rice cooker for 10 minutes. You'll see when it comes out of the rice cooker, it's still a bit hard. I understand that, but if I'm using it for my meal prep, it will get softer during the week. If not, what happened, it's gonna look like it's gonna be like a paste by the Wednesday. So starting by adding a can of beans. I'm also probably gonna add about 2 cans of beans. Use about a cup of small tomatoes that I'm gonna dice up in small pieces. 2 green onions, and then some parsley. Parsley, use good and full is good enough. For the quinoa, remember to wash your quinoa when it's cooked. Make sure it's well washed, because it doesn't really taste that great. So you want it as clean as you can when you put it into your salad. So once I'm happy with my butternut squash, I'm gonna put it, half of it in my salad. Probably just need a half of a butternut squash is good enough. That is quite a bit. And then I'm gonna mix that all together. As you see, Jake is there. He's on full standby mode in case something falls, and obviously if it's on the ground, it's his. So the last thing I'll prep for my sauce, using some mustard, Dijon mustard. Just mix it in 1/2 cup of avocado oil, and that's all she writes. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel, and there's your salad.